Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD. I made a lot of videos on MS Word. Specifically, I made 41 videos on MS Word, and in this channel, there are a playlist named MS Word series. And among those videos, some videos are advanced as well. But I never made videos for beginner. So I decided to make videos for school-going or college-going student. So I come up with a new video. This is MS Word Basic Part 1. And up next, I will be uploading MS Word Basic Part 2, so keep watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment, MS Word series is going on. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Now I will open MS Word software. I am using Windows 11 and my MS Word version is 19. If you have different version, no problem. All the procedures are almost same. So just click on this start. If you are using Windows 10, then you will be redirected directly to all apps. After clicking on start, you will be coming here. Okay, then click on A. From here W for Word. Then scroll down. This is my MS Word software. So I'm opening. So MS Word software is being opened. I am full screening. From here, I'll go for blank document. Okay, I have to save this document first. So go to File. From here, Save As. Then I have to choose the location where this file will be located. Browse. From here I'll be selecting desktop. Then file name MS Word Basic Part 1. Then save. See, now at this moment MS Word Basic Part 1 is showing. So at first I'll go to layout. I have to make little bit changes there. So just go to layout. From here margins. Here I have a lot of margins, but normally this normal is using. At normal, top, bottom, left, right, there should be 1 inch free space. That means from top 1 inch, from left 1 inch, from right 1 inch, and from bottom 1 inch free space. Okay, so I'm selecting normal. Then orientation. So here I have two types of orientation. First one is portrait and second one is landscape. The current one is actually portrait. If I select landscape, it will be horizontal, actually horizontal page. Okay, normally actually portrait is used, so I'm selecting portrait. Then size, here I have a lot of sizes, but normally A4 is used. Okay, so I'm selecting A4. Okay, and then columns, here I have different sort of columns like 1 column document, 2 column, 3 column, left aligned column, right aligned column. Okay, from here I will select 1 column. Okay, then I'll go to Home tab. Now you can start writing. I'll copy text and I'll paste it here. So I'm going to another document. So I'll copy from here. Just Ctrl+C from your keyboard and I'll paste on this new document. Ctrl+V. Okay. Here is one paragraph. Here is one paragraph. And here is another paragraph. Okay. So actually paragraph consists of couple of lines. If you write couple of lines all together, that is called paragraph. Okay. Now at this moment, this one and this one are separate paragraph. But if I take this line here, this will be a one paragraph. Now this is one paragraph and this is another paragraph. Okay, so hopefully you understood what paragraph is. So I'm selecting this paragraph. From here I will select the font. There are a lot of font, numerous font, but academically Times New Roman is used. So I'm selecting Times New Roman from here. From here, font size, I'm selecting 12. So here I have two options. This one is increase font size and this one is decrease font size. If I click on this one, the font size will be increasing. See? And if I click on this one, the font size will be decreasing. Next option is change case. If I select sentence case, then the first alphabet of a line will be capitalized. That means this is a sentence that ends here. So first alphabet will be capitalized. This alphabet will be capitalized and this alphabet will be capitalized. This alphabet are already capital, so it will not change. If I choose lowercase, then all the words will be lowercased. See? Now at this moment, each and every words got lowercased. Okay? Again, if I select uppercase, each and every word will be uppercased. See? If I select capitalize each word, then each word will be capitalized. Okay? If I select toggle case, it will be inverse. See, it got inversed. So normally sentence case is used. So I'm selecting sentence case. Here I have three options. This one is bold. This one is italic. That means the word will be little bit diagonal. Then this one is actually underline. Okay. so I'm not using this thing. Okay, this one is actually subscript and this one is superscript. If I want to write x2 or x square, then these options are used. I'm showing you here. Suppose I'll write x square, x, then 2, then I'll select 2, and from here I'll click on this subscript. See, it got x2. Okay, I'm writing maybe x square, x2, so I'll select this thing. Okay, actually here subscript is selected, so at first I have to deselect this thing. Then I'll write x2. From here I'll select 2, then I'll click on this superscript. So see, x square formed. So in this way. Okay, again I'm selecting this paragraph. From here, see, here I have couple of other options. This one is actually text style. If I select this one, see what happened. It will be showing like this. Okay, selecting this one, automatic. Okay, then here I have font color. Here I have different sort of font color. If I choose green, the whole paragraph will be green. If I select blue, then paragraph will be blue, like that. Okay, so from here I'm selecting automatic. Automatic is actually black. Okay, now we will change the alignment. Now at this moment left alignment is selected. If I choose center, see how it looks. If I select right alignment, see how it looks. Normally justify is used. This one is actually justified. That means at left and right there will be no space. This one is actually line spacing. Now at this moment 1.15 is selected. If I select 1, then the space between lines will be decreased. See, I'm selecting 1.5. And this one is actually remove a space after a paragraph. That means here paragraph ends. So if you want to keep some space after this paragraph, you will select remove a space after a paragraph. And at the same way, if you want to add a space before paragraph, that means now at this moment it is looking like this. Okay, if you want to keep little bit space before this paragraph, you will select this one, add a space before paragraph. Okay, so it will be looking like this. Here I have another option, that is theme color. You can select any color to your whole paragraph and it will be looking like this. Okay, if you need only. If you don't need, you don't have to use it. I'm selecting no color. Okay, suppose you are done and now at this moment you have to save this document. So for saving this document, go to file and from here click on save. So this document has been saved. So now at this moment you can close this document. Okay, so in this video I have shown you some layout settings and the basics of MS Word. In the next video, I mean in MS Word Basic Part 2, I will show you many more things. So yeah, that's it. Keep watching. Okay, if you have any query, just comment in the comment section. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.